Imagine KL Central during morning rush hour. There are people going in all sorts of directions, using different modes of transport, and each with their own destination. Now, believe it or not, this rush hour is happening inside of us right now. Only that it's happening all the time, 24/7, non-stop. More specifically, though, it's happening inside our cells which are the most basic building blocks of all organisms. Each and every one of us are made up of trillions of cells, and each and every single cell of our body is like KL Central during rush hour. And just like KL Central, cells have different levels, different compartments or rooms, and gates or doors which crowds of people can enter or exit. The crowd in KL Central is similar to these molecules called proteins. And there are a lot of these proteins inside the cell. And it is really important for these proteins to be made perfectly with the right amounts and to be trafficked or transported to the right place at the right time. It is a state of organized chaos. And that's my field of research, protein trafficking. I try to understand how this chaos is organized. And why do proteins go where they go and how they do it? And what happens if things don't go the way they should be? And things do go wrong. Any defect or malfunction in the protein's journey inside the cell can cause diseases. One example is cystic fibrosis, or CF. CF is a genetic incurable disease that causes a defect to one single protein. People with CF either don't make enough of this protein or that their protein is just not functioning properly and doesn't get trafficked to where it should be. The most common effects of CF is the accumulation of abnormally thick mucus. There's also lung damage and difficulty in breathing. In the 1950s to the 1960s, the life expectancy for a person with CF is less than 1 year. But now, with research to help to understand this disease, the life expectancy is now 37 years old. So it is really important for us to understand protein trafficking, to try and dissect how this chaos gets organized, and hopefully know what to do to prevent and even cure diseases such as cystic fibrosis in the future.